Have you ever stopped and wondered what it would feel like to live your dream life? To wake up every day energized, knowing you're moving closer to your goals. That's the power of visualization. It's not just a buzzword, it's a proven technique rooted in both science and personal transformation. Here's the fascinating part. When you vividly imagine achieving something, your brain activates as if it's actually happening. Your subconscious mind can't tell the difference, and that's the key. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine wanted to start her dream business. She created a vision board, pictures, affirmations, and even a mock website design. Every day she visualized herself succeeding. Today, she's running that business and thriving. So, let's dive in because your dreams are waiting for you. First things first, you need a clear vision. And nothing does that better than a vision board. Think of it as a collage of your dreams, a snapshot of your future life. Find images that spark joy, words that give you goosebumps. Maybe it's a photo of your dream home or a phrase like limitless abundance. Now, make it personal. Don't just copy someone else's idea of success. Choose things that resonate deeply with you. Here's a pro tip. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it daily. Because when you see your goals, you start to feel them. And feeling is the first step to believing. You want to also start visualizing with intention. And here are some techniques for that. Let's take a step further. Visualization isn't just about seeing, it's about experiencing. And you can do that by using these three powerful techniques. Let's start with guided meditation. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and imagine your dream life. Use your senses, see the colors, hear the sounds, feel the emotions. Scripting is another effective method. You want to write down your dream day as if it's already happening. Be specific. For example, I am waking up in my beautiful home, feeling grateful and excited for the day ahead. Let's engage all five senses as we are doing this. What does your dream smell like, taste like, sound like? Make it vivid, make it real. Here's the trick. When distractions pop up, and they will, gently refocus. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Consistency is the key to doing all of this, and you want to build a habit. Visualization works, but only if you do it consistently. Make it a daily habit. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can rewire your brain and strengthen those neural pathways that lead to success. Remember, repetition is powerful. The more you visualize, the more your mind believes your dreams are achievable. Here's a tip. Pair your visualization with a morning routine or bedtime ritual. It makes it easier to stick with it. Now, let's recap. Get clear on your dreams, create a vision board that inspires you, practice visualization daily, and make it immersive. But here's the thing, manifestation is a journey. There will be moments of doubt or setbacks, and that's normal. What matters is that you keep going. Every small step, visualization session is bringing you closer to your dream reality. So, take that first step today. Your dream life is waiting for you to claim it. Believe in yourself because I believe in you. And together, we'll unleash abundance. Let's make it happen.